Hi there, it's me Natalie, and this is my current project I'm working on for my stitching club members on Patreon. It's going to be a sampler guidebook made completely from embroidered pages like this. You probably saw my video tutorials for those pages. I just received the examples of printed fabric and I like the quality, it's really nice. Right now my mom is helping me with packaging and shipping embroidery kits, so all the materials and stuff is moved to her place. And I started ordering printing on fabric for the first time, and I think I'm going to continue using this service and probably will be printing in colors too. Before, we were manually transferring patterns to the fabric for each order, and as my embroidery business is growing, we can't cover it all by hands anymore, so we needed to find such services. Truth be told, it was not easy to find in my country, but I'm happy that I actually found it, and I tested it for my sampler guidebook, and I will continue printing fabric for all the kits on my Etsy shop now. So we are going to have 12 pages total in our sample book, and in November we are going to be working on the book cover. I will draw 4 more samples for October, and it's going to be for all the rest stitches which we didn't do yet, which are woven roses, Turkish stitch, and different kind of filling stitches, and long and short shading part. Yeah, I'm thinking to do the separate page for flowers and to show you how you can stitch different kind of flowers and which stitch to use. And also there is going to be a separate page for leaves, which is also interesting, and I know a lot of ways how to stitch leaves, so you will learn it, and you will have a cute 2 pages for flowers and leaves. This is what I have in my head right now, but for 2 more pages I will figure out what we will do, what we will stitch, but it's also going to be interesting, and you will learn new techniques, and you will learn how to use new threads also, because October kit will contain multicolored threads, and they look like this. This is a different kind of this is a different brand, but they look like this, and it also gives you an interesting effect which you will learn and try. Don't be afraid, those stitches look complicated, but as long as you will have my instructions and video tutorials, I'm sure you will nail it and you will like it. And this is a great feeling when you are learning something new, which is the main goal for me and you here, to learn all the popular stitches in embroidery and grow your skills. So in October kit you will get 4 pages and multicolored threads. I already have cute scissors, which I will probably put in the last kit. If the needles, I also ordered a big needles for some Brazilian stitches, so if they will come in time, so I will put them in October kit, because you will need them to perform some flowers. So they will come in the tube like this. They are going to be a big needle, even bigger than this one, because those are a little bit smaller. I found better needles than those. I already ordered another needles. They're thinner and they are longer, so this is what we need. And the scissors are already arrived, and this is how they look like. You will get one of those scissors in November kit. I love them, and I have those scissors for myself. I use it in my work. So, as I said, in November there's going to be the last month which we are going to be working on this book, and we are going to be making a book cover, and you will get those cute scissors. you will get the gorgeous fabric for your book cover. It's going to be the same which is used in my organizer box. I will show you now. So this is my box, which is my friend made for me, and she used a cute soft fabric for the cover of this box, and so this color, and I'm going to use the same fabric for the book, and I'm going to use this lavender color, and I will probably buy some other colors for you guys if you want, so you will choose which color you would like to use. I love it. If you didn't see it yet, I can open it and show it to you what's inside. This is awesome. Oops. And in the November kit for the book cover, you will get metallic threads, which you probably didn't try yet, and we will use it for stitching the book cover, which is going to be so awesome. I'm so excited to stitch this book together already and have it completed. That's awesome. And in December I'm planning to do some maybe winter or Christmas summit embroidery project with you guys, and we are going to be voting as usual, and we will choose what we want to stitch as usual, so it's going to be depending on the poll on Patreon. The thing you should know that in December I will be stopped shipping starting from the 1st of December, because it's a crazy month, and your packages will stuck on customs, and it's going to be like months and months to receive it, and I don't want you to have this stress, and I don't want to have this stress as well, and I will just turn off shipping on Etsy, and for those who are subscribed for embroidery kits on Patreon, I will just do a refund. By the way guys, if you want to start this project now, it's not too late. You can join this sampler guidebook kits on my Patreon page even in November, when I will be running the last part 4, and I will send you the links where you can purchase all the previous kits from this series. I have them in stock, but only for my patrons. They are listed in my secret shop, so don't wait, you can still have a chance to get them all. So that was my plans for the next few months. I also plan to make one more workshop in November on international exhibition in Kyiv, and make a studio tour video for you guys, and show how I organized my stuff, my favorite tools and books. I hope you like it, my little studio vlog, and if so, please give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be making more videos like this. Waiting for a lovely comments. See you in my next video. Bye!